We'll kindly invite you to join them insurance committee. You're all here. What is the dance? Who has mastered the skills to join them? Yes, you can join them. You can join them. Yes. That's the start of those who join and implement it tomorrow. Somebody to join you. What do you think? Yes. That's true. Let's do the move. Osaberimba ya Allah, celebrate with excellence. The black and white, the rose, the gentlemen, are doing the dance moves. Are you Max and Samisu? Oh, okay, yes, true. Wants to try the move. You press the joint. Vitamin C and Q. But may now, I don't the media houses I see. In fact, anytime Osaberimba Royal Awards, this is the 5th edition. Since I shall say, most of media was one who you know, why I'm going to film. And I pay Radio Central for GBC, Radio Central is here, Pan African TV is here. Cape 93.3, they are here FM, Ahumka FM, Darlin FM, Eagle FM, Property FM, Napnak Events, here I see. Ebi and Waha, Ebe Ambofiansin, but Dr. Bequatan, Nebakrini, into one credit or two was a man, Doctor and Sabbath Baka, Media General Waha, yes, and so Asasi Radio Waha, TW Radio, so Waha, and media, Yadasi, there all the time, one man's Amakodo. Yanshire, Yanipin, Funibia, Wabakan Sawaha, you have a tall list if you
GTA Director, Cape Coast, Mr. Boaben, Pachawa Onwevi and Kakra, Mr. Boaben, GTA Director of Cape Coast, Mr. Boaben, okay, Mr. Boaben Wadi. MP, right from MP all the way from Accra, Mr. Michael Opoku, Obiri, Pachawa, and Awabian. MP, MP Wadi. Now, my friend there, current GTA boss, and a former GTA boss, Mr. Jesse, Pachawa, Hadi, Onwebian, Mr. Jesse, okay, Mr. Jeffrey, Mr. Jesse Wadi. Yes, sure.
5 years ago.
5 years ago, we started with Mr. Jesse. In fact, from the two things beginning, such as the Osaberimba Royal Award, right at the precinct of the auspices of Rich Royal, 5 years ago, I think I crave near Chassis with some few people, and today here we are celebrating 5 years of this prestigious award. So with us too, we have our regional rep from the regional assistant director, honestly I say regional minister's rep, or Adi. And our regional director, Mbocho, hi, Papa. Mbocho, attitude will be as time goes on, we acknowledge FDA, we have ENI. And I say, what's in the ENI? And I say ENER. I don't know your problem, ENI.
It's an ENR group. It's a conglomerate, it's like a group. Yes, so I know out of it there is BB Winery, there is Phase Lounge, there is Club 161.
Okay.
Chairman Kwekunara, Minimso Wahaza.
Okay,
and he's the CEO for TW Radio.
Okay, TW Radio for Ade, and I may want flyers in everything around here. TW Radio, our media partners for this occasion. We have Koa, and from Koa we have Mr. Richard Oseyabwa, Communications Media and Relations Manager, Mr. Oseyabwa Pachawadi and Ewavian from Koa. Okay, and Mr. Anthony Kujo, Programs Manager for Koa, Onosu Hadi. Okay, and the one in us, as time goes on, we acknowledge all of you as we go on. National Insurance Commission, we now WH dominated to Medium Bro, Osaberimba Royal Awards, 5th edition.
It's also a fire service regimental band. In fact, fire service from the bridge, my papa. Odum Jaffu, Fia, Omayan, one and King. Odum Jay. Odum Jamin tissue.
Oh, are they? Oh, what about me anyway, Papa?
I went to that. I've been there putting into Fufa, but I'm not going to answer. I've been one banner.
Everyone can football as if because the Academy Shimoni Bamble. In favor of pan ancient Aben.
Hey, Sata, it's Marco on us. Okay. Okay. And see, at this so far, obey, what do you want to send across? And what you trying to come on? Do we have any leaders amongst you? Come again. See again. Yes, I can see to me. Please join me, gentlemen. Don't be shy.
Why this school there's no shyness?
I won't catch you young. Don't worry. I'm engaged. Santa. Or Hanka, if you are being to one. Like seriously, like.
He's a serious Santa, a proud one, a proud Santa.
Your paramount chief is a Santa. What else don't you know about the palace? Where do you come from?
Accra.
Which part of Accra do you come from? Kaswa is not
Accra. Your dad resides in them generation and your dad resides at Damsuma and you live at Kaswa. Therefore,
you are from Accra.
Hey,
why you know? Are you clapping your boy?
Okay, habits. Do you love tradition?
Yes.
Is it your first time at a royal award?
Yes.
So what are you expecting to see?
I'm expecting to see something.
Intriguing. Okay. Intriguing. How is that going to impact you? Tell me. What course are you reading? General art. What do you want to be in future? A lawyer. Counsel. To be. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Shall we please be upstanding? In just a few minutes, on the Jerusalem.
Osaberimba Dr. Kuisata out today be Otawasi na info. Ena ogwa impeyfo nyinara ayira say we are bringing shimo he as jumeza ye busy na shamunsa. Yampa Bonnie the Susan Croncon busy Azim in Nara Yabompa the Martum Infisor and Bobudo in Nabra Boymo. May this program be to the praise and the glory of your name, and at the mention of the name Jesus, we bring everything into subjection under the control of the Holy Spirit. Yabompa the Ebi name Yamshe, Obama Uguay, Afanan Tampifra, Ayawazi, A Bibria so with Jesus Christ Nirazim Yabompa. Amen.
Thank you very much, Reverend.
Oh, Trump, I want you to say, I to me and not every name, but you may say show. I want to make sure. Yes, now, I read it now. Choose my second. Why, I'm for the session, explanation, corporation, person. Why, I'm for the session, explanation, corporation. What is about? Right, I'm for the session, explanation, corporation, person. What is about? Say, you're here for 1 year from the 7% doctor. In my 7 years, he was more so. A year. Now, what's up? How to do a new? What is about? Yes, no. But now, more food, we are planning the OPM. Did a meeting. And one has said to the room, what when you come, what about Manamaha? The work of Monday, Manaman, where to put no about what is about. Yeah, maybe I would do Gaman, your home for so. Did a meeting, yes, no one of which now, no more for it, yes, no more. No matter what more water, no more than a cocker. Yes, no. If I fall, no, I come to home, that's a better man. What you hear? One quarter. One of you read my thing, yeah, we are. Yeah, we didn't believe you. Yes, sir. Mamma, man, there. As well, I'm an hour there, way. That's what I'm watching. That's a problem. If you ever had say, no, I get here about the hammer. There's no to be a woman was a mobile house to be a woman. If you have a one, naturally, now, I one, but with no class to do more market as to be. I will move it to what the air go when you're general. Now, I'm going to refuse me.
Ghana tourism, no guest of honor. And then, Auntie Efua Akwaba, your former Yatu. Womogwa Ma Igwe, my friend Abadi, out of tourism and whatever. You're there here for sure. Now we cannot do that without you. It is Abba. It shall say, I would moan and know it is Abba. Then profit soon. Wow, what I decided. Oh. Augustus Wamba. Mama, when you now crab. Now, what by the man was your friend? That the area now walking or your encouragement is in my hand. And my answer, you to be a codu. Say, I took a crew. Let's you Ibuwa, Yabowa out. And then you to find Yako Lumi, near Kakaso. Megan Carr said, Papa be penny. Oh, you know, Augustus. Or the nipple, or the dark car, Nancy, and bus, Nancy. Open to Canas, but shit, none myself. About the 3 times, no other. But for him, it should be a little such a place. Moon there, I was so good. And they have one about me from over. And these are the little things, sir. Or Pierre was now who was born the way wild for yes, you are. More than a man. I'm a chance with my body, super. Also, why yes, look, I said to you, Mammy, who know, okay, and Chabambo, not for no matter. Rabbi, a there was now, want a man for me, one and answer that. Mama, where's on? Mamma, in our crab. You may see Yama in Rani, Master, the woman in our pumps. I may bet you have open. Here's our dear pa, was it a couple with you? Madame, you answer your mention of the
Or Yenite Mahay, your friend, now Wakotna, Nanano Minchem, now Waya Homaka, because she's our special guest. And we want to see her upstage. And to know, Maraka some Bob one. Now I'll call Jinegua. Into the Mokosher, na impanyinfo bi ezi igwe Osaberimba Awards 5th anniversary n'enyim de oyede yenya magazine na yetna he kokotokraba obi anyi da ba Cape Coast into no igwe yenya kokotokraba magazine na impanyinfo bi enso da mama ken no Ghana News Agency was enyim because atotro no say hey Madam Alice take onza yetucha woman na nemba na oban kodohin na obi eduama osikan na so why ejuma papa inti no moroko soro na we need to outdoor the magazine
wakaka na onam do ya first edition me mama nkawo oya mo kandodo Kakra na ewu ya mobrofu no ya na rokuchi kakra nse na kankan to make translation ma translate to brafuna ojina wo na bo igwe jina ba ochre odi esan kafa wacha mumbi ayin shebia wan shebia na kuwaye kafu ya baje first character na ba
the city of Perth is coming back. And you know, which is there. About all your magazine in Juma, or there will come be from Train Kakra. Nana Moha.
Okay. And I would like to invite these people to join him here.
Okay.
We have Madam Alice Tete, Managing Editor, Mr. Samulubri, who is also here with me. We have Florence Afran, Graphic Designer, Isaac Ako, Writer, Prince Aqua, also writer, Victoria Ajiman.
The answer is in there, but there's a welcome one now.
I don't join me.
I draw one fan show with
yeah.
Alice.
And a few press commercial to Wadi, I want to meet Madam Alice
Ghana News Agency, one managing
Florence
editor,
Afran,
Central Region.
Prince Aqua, Victoria Jiman, Pajon Dancing. Okay. Nana Pachorba.
Na me who Pajon dancing.
Pajon. I'm not home free. Last year, I started I was the business where I have to flourish. It's a year of common area business. For place of my said, we have a lot of right terms about Cape Coast. It's was in the back. And the businessmen and women they promised. So it was very adverse. It to be a magazine, a comments magazine, where businesses are all recorded in there. Unfortunately, the businesses have failed us. We are council of adverts, we are train. But a few companies have supported us, and we have come out with the first edition. Now, I think better because you have a house, you have a car, you have a car. I don't say it is so. It's in there, you buy that, and the animal will generate in a and I'm the first one about. Senator Osaberimba. This is the first, and it's happening only in Cape Coast. We are our copy. But we are the first to have a Cape Coast magazine. And I have read a couple of Koroba, saying we are able to say, yes, Cape Coast. Yeah, and I would say, I put it to the language, I'm going to cut a and so I put it to the go from the Karaban and go from because I have as in the Father. And see, that's
born into the magazine. Your businesses are Cape Coast. Naturally, but they will advertise magazine to give us a little revenue. Obama but we didn't get the support. Until we have stories on businesses, individuals who are making positive impact in Cape Coast. There were stories on the 77 gods of Ogwa. Who now was in all the 77 gods. It is in the magazine the woman there one I say America Sanoka 77 gods now. On here there work and we also have stories on young vice president Nano Bukwajiman. Ya caption wa hanili. Ogwaya wazoye. Yambon semani. So shattering the glass ceiling, Professor Nano Bukwajiman leads the way. So the strong woman in the land. Why am I? We have a lot of, I don't want to preempt it because there water. Okay.
It's all TV. Find out water. Inti. Oh, okay. No. Inti. I mean, Missouri because I don't know for what I see. Yadi mumu. Yadi check. And so yadi physical cash. Yadi promises. You're busy to be your baba, and to just be reminded. And I'm going
you. One body, ma. Kaka Mesre. This is the first edition. Now, the who we are. Into subsequent editions. one chapter, one more fancy. No one church him. Some maybe oil funds, indigenous funds. Na kama yeye sio who we are. Na manzinga kaka. Nanda brofo. Oye wa dos. Ka hwe ni ya yi wa han. It's massive.
And I want
to say for the opportunity. Osaberimba magazine. I am first of this kind, and I believe that for a first time magazine, I am very interesting. Content here rich. Mash, no there. You're sure that subsequent editions it would even be more exciting than it is now. Be painful. I wish you were happy. Then young boys, young magazine, young baby campus, young magazine. I'm not actually also I did with too much. Now next year, when you guys get Bioma, now you have a magazine, no, or a casino, no more content, rich. You see, no portal. Why your magazine? You better want to see. Why I see? Let me show you.
Madam CEO, why I see? Let me show one. The mama came, after wonderful. Mama, okay. You go school now. What's your essay? English, students, wonderful cry. And you know why I say the Mabry magazine no day auction in Morocco. I want a first, second, third, fourth buyer. I don't want to mention how much. But Osaberimba Doctor we sat on the second. On sign, not today, you are the first buyer. Now, I want somebody to give me a Ghana city.
Buy the first copy of the Cultural Business Magazine. So,
CEO, that's one. Who is coming? Work on 10 books and sons. Yes, that's the first set of honors. Yes, that's first buyer. Who is a wow, man for changing our home. Name introduce so much. But our friend Georgina Ashley, Asgen Pharmacy. But your Asgen Pharmacy, I said, no, I don't smack or 7,000 Ghana.
one month, so we are taking it to Osaberimba to be autographed.
7,000 Ghana.
We are taking a copy to Osaberimba to be autographed. Yeah, we believe in you.
So the Panafest Foundation is grabbing a copy for 2,000 Ghana cedis.
1 month, Panafest Foundation.
2,000 Ghana cedis. Nana Kusini inside 3,000 Ghana cedis.
3,000 Ghana cedis. We are in a comfortable lead.
If the big Scots or Hilo, you want 2,000.
Good to meet you. Since you know, one person will pay, you win you. Big Scots. But pay also for an age of cancer. Out of 2,000 Ghana cedis. Thank you very much. Now, today, now, Australian or Pakistan, now, that's the woman. Now, what's originally 2,000 Ghana cedis?
Another 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Representing the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. What's up?
Thank you very much. And see Ogwa magazine on your table. I mean, or a dope and
Yeah.
Once I was dope, I said,
It is.
dope for church and chairman, Santa Marco. One could dope, Nachasa, half a Hey, what's that? What's a guy? Mom is a lawyer guy. Or you don't know a guy. Charlie, you should be able to say that, hey, no bar, it means mother in fear. Our part, but the rubber man is in the town. I mean, that's 200 balances. Grab a copy. And then move straight to the honors. First service, watch us on one go cassette. Now, you'll come for the next session. The first batch of awards, we'll do the honorary awards before we move to we are moving to the first batch of awards, which is the honorary awards. And I would humbly call on the Executive Secretary for Panafest to help us do the first presentation. Rabbi, kindly join us here on stage. We need a backdrop for photos. Paparazzi, please get ready. So we're moving. So the honorary awards, these are distinguished personalities that Osaberimba deems worthy to honor for their good work and hard work for Guaman. The first on my list is a man, I don't know how old he is, but as we speak, say Obiria Bibina Obahang Bana Wokroma. Okay, Wahang banners for 32 years. I don't know hang banner, okay? Hang banner, they should tell you the committee has done a very good work. And so, the first to receive this honor for hanging banners for 32 years in Cape Coast is Kobna Oduku. Mr. Kobna Oduku, please join us here.
Mr. Kobna.
And I love the wow bit on people's faces. Mr. Kobna Oduku. Yes, great. Mr. Kobna Oduku. Well, can we have some? Now, around the show. Mr. Oduku, where are you, Damawati? Na bocho snappy na sabi o chance no na meta anya
oh na meta dem
I see no bandan
wa to ni posi mi an na o e dasta
Tim could run with us when the party up when you have to men and wise.
I'm sitting to my hang you.
Oh, Mister.
Never say never. I'm a Muslim.
Association, yes. Rabbi is doing us the honors. Don't Kodo Family Association. Okay, one more band. Almost same man. Supporting the developmental growth of Ogwaman. Ogwaman Echidom Wompuntum.
Congratulations. What are you camera you? That's the camera.
Osaberimba Sine. Maya zi
paparazzi. Thank you very much. Next co-growth of Ogwaman. Ladies and gentlemen, I know they are here in their numbers. Let's show some love for the Cape Coast Youth Development Association.
One more on Cape Coast Youth Developmental Association.
Cape Coast Youth Development Association.
Okay, kindly let us have it. Okay.
Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rabbi. To do us the next honors for presenting the award, Administrative Director of the Regional Coordinating Council, Mr. Gustav Kopina Atu, kindly help us do the presentation for the next category.
Of Ogwaman. This time around is the Cape Coast Garages Association. Sudu Garages Association. Yes, sir, Anna. What I say, Neruko Sudu. And now you Woka Bonnets. Osaberimba say Sudu for what go on about and a pay. Most of my wife for one. Oh, I have a shop a woman the moon. Congratulations to you.
Okay, so still doing us the
Garages Association.
To Association of Concerned Cape Coast Citizens and Residents. Mpacho Akafo. Akafo Mpacho.
Prophet Victor Pam. And I'm drum.
Osaberimba see the wire zipa papa. Okay.
Mr. James, you are wow. And the rest of the team, congratulations. If we're in you for working one buma, Bibi Richia, no work on one sem, no Watson. Or you need J. Aka, congratulations to you.
Concerned Association, Cape Coast Citizens and Residents. Awardee, oye hen oma hen oye hen life patron. Onye hen papa abeka texting. No see life. Oye like a patron okaye. Awardee okoma nkrofo wodi sika. Waze bam yezi oye gwai. Wana owo abrochi Professor Mensa Bent our US onye nkrofo a waka ya hu nyina na Professor Anamwa Mensa mu nyina na dem awardee okoma ho ya da obi biase
God Box Stores or the God Box Foundation. It's our company promoting tourism in Cape Coast over the years. So, one more fans. Now, Madam Lee.
Host over the years. Torchlight Tours.
One more summer Torchlight Tours.
Mr. Michael Orleans and his team. Torchlight Tours. Congratulations. Torchlight Tours. In fact, last Christmas, individuals will start the Afro Torch. It's a very good signal, and we say congratulations to you. We are hoping to see the new dawn of Afro Torch this year, 2025. So congratulations for your hard work.
Madam still be on standby on tours.
She is
promoting tourism in Cape Coast over the years. One more Simone. Ashanti African tours. Okay. Ashanti African tours.
Ashanti African tours. Ashanti African tours. Madam Fumba Fanabaudo. Intino Murko Bentin Asaf number 1 company. Osaberimba Fanabaudo for supporting, protecting the cultural heritage of Oguaman. Number 1, number 2, number Anafo, Wambra, and 10 Asafo number 3, Wambra, Nkum, number 4, Hochami Nkumni, Brafomba number 5, Akrampa number 6, and Amanfo number 7. Wambra, CNC Wamba Safomba,
okay, so
number 1.
As a voice, and wait for the North Corner. Anafo Asafo number 2. Swaji.
Bentu Yadasi. Anafo Asafo number 2.
Anafo Asafo number 2. Wanji Wanzi.
Anafo Swaji Wanzi. Thank you very much.
Inkum Asafo number 4.
Yellowa. Edu Kumfu. Inkum number 4.
Inkum number 4.
Number Samani. Inkum number 4. What you want to say?
Rafuma Asafo number 5.
Number 5. Rafuma number 5. Once upon him for the youngster number 2. Rafuma number 5. Thank you very much. Akrampa number 6. Akrampa 4.
Still supporting Osaberimba and protecting.
Akrampa 4 no what's your football? That's it. Now, yes, I'm out for fun.
I'm out for Asafo number 7.
Number 7 way. What's up, Benjamin? The National Petroleum Authority rep, Mr. Michael Opokobri, help us do these presentations.
To schools in Oguaman in general. Obanumanipa of what school? Oguaman. Then awardee Okoma, Professor Samuel Atodankan, the President General of the Center of Awareness Global Peace Mission, KUA, GPM. What school for awardee Wadimano, Wamansema KUA, Professor Samuel Atodankan. KUA follow Ade.
Where's the door, so? Prof. Duncan, thank you very much for supporting Cape Coast.
Schools in Oguaman in general, they've done very well. So, please be on standby. You do as
we all know, Panafest is a biennial event. Every 2 years, we celebrate Panafest. This year, Obokodo, and for sustaining Panafest since 1992 and promoting Cape Coast, Osaberimba wants to honor the Pan-African Festival of Arts and Culture. This afternoon, Professor A.C. Sutherland Ade is here, and the Executive Director, Rabbi Cohen, is here. Picking it on behalf of Panafest Foundation.
Okay, that's Pan-African Festival of Arts and Culture for years.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's good to see Professor here taking it. Wabifie. Congratulations. Congratulations.
So Mr. Obri will do the last one. Opokobri will do the last. Dedication and supporting health activities in Cape Coast. Eyi obono mo de pa ohwe apomudin na ninuma ho ogwa Cape Coast ogwaman ye pa. Awodi odima Dr. Mrs. Agnes Achema Anani, Deputy Director, Clinical Care and Acting Regional Director of Health Services.
Congratulations.
It's one for ma and my Pomudinuma and Woke Kaunina.
Congratulations.
Will help us to do the next presentation. Mr. Jesse. Mr. Jesse.
Well, he's the former Central Regional Director for GTA.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, so this one, Ekust and Ekwan. Nana Riabo Kwamina, also called Mr. Albert Ansan. Ekwan Tufuhin.
One more semano.
Ekwan Tufuhin. Congratulations.
Tufuhin of Ekon. Why is there Osaberimba Bonabado?
Congratulations to you, Nana. Ekon Tufuhin.
Mr. Jesse will still do us the honors as we do the next presentation. In Cape Coast, in fact, she is gender and she is gendering. A very big round of applause to Miss Rich Love Amono, Mama, our true Ajaba, out of the ABA. One more semano,
Congratulations.
Nitim, Austin, Nitim, Wambra.
Team gender.
Gender 4.
Madam Simone Generation, no yan fair. Team gender. Sorry. Team gender. Mama gender, 30 seconds, yes, sir.
Yo, me don't be asking. And I'm me papa was Osaberimba theater the second. Me don't say. Ma we in your nyam kesi a washa me team Department of Gender me the organizers me na say. Na me chira mo de mama gender na ye friend me was Central Regional. Asamba ko na me de jabo. Mo ko mo make sure see. Abofra wo this 16 years I am Shisumano. Shisumana, Ubeko jail not less than 7 years and not more than 25 years. And Abofra won't be 18 years no on power rate. And it's how Bokomwa Warina Yadia was Keko so Guahano Nana. We see after the second was see what trouble and so what wouldn't him now about 18 years now man call worry no or friend mama gender so make sure say more mutina say worry and now we have a jail 1 year madam say
running a free education scheme at Minasin in a futu yes why I say obwa education Mpocho Mfansembo Emma Professor Zakaria Mustafa senior lecturer in philanthropy promoting free education scheme at Minasin
Professor Zachary Mustafa with a solid team. Congratulations. Please, can we be upstanding? As we welcome. Please, let's hold on. Let's see how we dance. Paramount Queen Mother of Fugwa. They will.
Mama, I want you to do us the next honors by presenting the next set of awards to our recipients. This is the Osaberimba Royal Awards, the 5th edition. Mama, on those fans, us now for only 16 years, one shadow. Ebufia and the Osaberimba Royal Awards are seen there. I'm for only 16 years,
Ladies and gentlemen, this one goes to Mrs. Grace Esuman Yani.
One more semano, Mrs. Grace Esuman Yani. Okay, honorable.
Mami, what Cape Coast? It's Umba no Wahan, meaning to be Beza.
Topsail event?
Yes, Topsail events.
Topsail event, management and rentals.
Yes.
And the queen, carpet, everything, they did it. One more say, man, why is it papa? Aha. So, Mama. Aha, one for who did you so no? No, Odi, him kind out, and I would have done Bonabado. Eh, Mr. Patrick King Kujo, Donko, Edu, Chairman, Association of Garages. One more say, man, why is it papa? Chairman, papa. Get you to Medi entrepreneurial spirit.
Yes.
In Cape Coast to learn trade as pseudo. One more say, man.
Yami Aduma, Chairman, I don't know who interview us as radio at a brain to come on. Coffee, and you chairman got to come on between hours.
He's Mr. Ken Kujo, Donko, Edu.
Congratulations.
I don't want to say.
Let's open 1 minute, Chairman, Ms. Bomo.
Opanyire ana maame a odi maame ne da wase nyame nhyira wo eye nyina doctor nana ata ye da wase nyame nhyira de e kan se ye ni ye gira Osaberimba doctor osiata nyame nhyira nyame nhyira ba ye kan se ni ye gira he nyina ya ye ne se insan duma ne ye kire nso a ye nyiska me betra so as a chairman no
omo se ma no ha
omo ni nam ba ye kire duma free and you me the letter bana na so agiatu and you be a person who sue duma bia omra esudu ye be kire ni free amen.
Chairman Yedasi, Ghana Tourism Authority CEO, Mami Efwa Ojato. Entino, ya Mami Waba, no buku ni minima. Onye, the Mabri, the Mama Kwan, na Mopedo Zijeheno, anade, Kakra Zabrayano, Ozatu, Guamain.
We agree that we look at friends.
Oh, yeah.
We are the latest CEO in town. Local office, now basically 10 years. Internationally, we are new Papa. If you buy her, no Papa to buy. Now, no Mamma is action. And see, Mama Banga something. Now we church and another, no Papa, you lazy. And see, the Mamma is lazy, and I accept Papa, yes, now, what's in there? Tourism, extra tourism. Now, when no yet the gateway to tourism, or Ghana happened. And now, Babia, Kaka, Magasama, Never miss menu. Make sure that. You're very now, your class, and it's competition. Now, I expand the eye more fatter. But I have a project as a papa. Because last year, fashion, the experience you are having. Now, fashion, not just and I'm sure that every affection bearer, once again, it tells you the love and the beautiful reputation Cape Coast, apart from that, Osaberimba Dr. Appreciata II, also was in that anniversary. Now, at the time, the Nami special aid to Professor Nana. You see, I had the opportunity to also witness it. Also, we shared down and then pay you far. What was I was supporting? No, I'm not saying that. Now, there's me now, she has it. Your tourist sites all had it. On I come. But we know what can you make yes, not come. No, why then? No, why you feel? That's where there. What to sing in why you be. You see, look at there. My caption and there. Maria Francia, Mother, he's because Mother, I say, Master Kaka. I pray you over the years to come. For so, the years are come. Maha Abe Krabosha Kasa. Everyone has thank you.
Thank Thank you very much. CEO for Ghana Tourism Authority.
MC. Now, but it's not in welcome.
So home and away. March. So what? Yeah.
And you better not have a serious sense of humor.
Best for sure true.
For the year 2025.
The 5th edition of the Osaberimba Royal Awards, and to do us the honors.
Mbocho, Eba Center for National Culture Institution, Yampin or the Mr. Ebenezer Kofinti, on the age mania and San Ayo department. In your for the dance unit, and the performing and nature art department.
Bro, 4
and see, Yampin.
Okay, that's what you do. Aha.
Thank you very much.
And I want to say, Mr. Kofi, for judging why I made another presentation on my head. So what about 14 video so here the camera for customer friend, the best online promoter. Osaberimba Abado, Mr. Eric Aqua, Cape Coast promoter, promoting Central Region Cape Coast online.
Campus promoter.
Mr. Eric Aqua. One more semana. Yes, promoting Cape Coast. And it's not like Cape Coast.
Dapper in his Ralph Lauren a t-shirt.
Okay.
Great.
Mr. Eric Aqua.
Congratulations to you.
Mr. Aka Kroneri, aye.
Ocho say Yakade Yerkobi.
Semana.
Hey, Nana Tutujaku. Nana Ojanara. Wow. Hey, Nana Mamina Nebusia. Na new figure. One president. When you now over Talechi. Congratulations to you. Oja 420. No, I can't read it.
Okay, round of applause for them.
Congratulations.
Okay, thank you. Wabin, GTA Director, Central Region. Mr. Wabin is doing us the next honors for the presentation. Mr. Wabin, please join us here.
Right, so dedicated to
upon a chidom dinini, to Osaberimba why are dear more aquapa, a being some review.
Yes. Congratulations. You want to say something? Okay, briefly.
Ozikan Mada Dr. Osaberimba the second asi. Nanim pay for a multiple Madonna. Mama kind baby I will be around. Sembudu dead suma. Mention baby I will. Mention Teresa. Mention one month of work and name Jemebutumbia Nafabwa. The my word is Mazama in some community because that is where
in
thank you.
You're welcome.
Congratulations. Today she picked the most innovative business. Fountain Foods.
Fountain Foods. Almost ever Fountain Foods.
Dazi of Fountain Foods.
Almost a man, Fountain Foods. But I want to paparazzi what you put in Okay.
Congratulations to you, Doc, and the team.
Okay.
Interested. And I want to say congratulations to a man who is so dedicated to Ogwa. I mean, one of the many. He is the group CEO for ENA. He owns TW Radio, Club 161, Phase Lounge, and counting. Santa Claus or disco. What's no disco? Well, from the Santa Kweku, that's the popular one.
What's in the magazine? So on no printing. Cook's Press.
Exactly. Exactly. So, in fact, he is the startup superstar. And he Chairman Kweku Twafo, and then Osaberimba Obowa Baldo. Now, I'm in the name of my foreign German. Special one to the man, the group CEO and our group, Chairman Kweku Twafo.
Okay, congratulations to him. Will be to Fuhini of Econ Mpocho Western and Wadarumana Ben.
Congratulations.
To Fuhin. To Fuhin. Right. Okay, to Fuhin.
Ghana National College.
Oh yeah,
and I'm proud to talk about the fact that she's been in this business for over 30 years. Ladies and gentlemen, most sustained business goes to Ashton Pharmacy.
Why a woman who buy and a Ghana say in she has
most sustained business.
Why I say
exceptional dedication to delivering high quality pharmaceutical services and advancing healthcare excellence in Cape Coast. Ashton Pharmacy.
Yeah, why I say
What you Mrs. Paying Bay? Congratulations to you, ma.
Nana Pochopejina wana assign a kubium, Aki Bini. Woman say money, 30 years in the industry.
No come. No meaning that beginning Juma. Now so in Juma. Let's say there is nothing like multiple streams of income. Into say Junaha, na where Juma your kora. Hey, Shasida shopper come with any basa. Sika berum kunimpo ana. Ain't Mr. Bawana Mati. 10 brews.
Why you man for 10 years? Outstanding education to provide quality local drinks for events and functions in and around Cape Coast.
Well, he's also a key account person at Asasi Radio. Oh, what was water in the, Valentine?
Nana be another one am I in? Nana be another one am I?
Congratulations to you.
Hey, one.
Obi has a friend. It's Washishama, the way who day. Mommy, in fact, as a Tracy, worried her. Nase, Yambo Yunibisia, Yambo Manati. She's the best teacher in Cape Coast. Lucinda Merriman Johnson. Madam Lucinda. Ebacho, me in Ghana National College, and an age.
Osaberimba ake 20 was assist.
Congratulations to you. Best teacher in Cape. Hey, in great schools, yes, Citadel of Education. What's your man where you pray? Tough party. I don't know techniques. Because being a best teacher, indeed, says a lot about you. Congratulations to you. Now, best student in Cape Coast. But you can't down category, Ghana Education Service. And the Washishman, the way you Paperno. And I was a tool. Osaberimba doctor in you. Into a day with day, or you're certified. Best student in Cape Coast, Master Amu Emmanuel Kusia.
Woman say mano. Aha.
Woman man. Hey, what's a best student? If you are welcome to school and award. To be a best student, you know?
Osaberimba school. Osaberimba school. Aha.
Wow, here with the entire family.
Aha.
Wow.
But you're Canada, one right.
Which one are you? But the headmistress. Headmistress at this other colleges here. No, which school? From St. Nicholas Basic School. Now the from Anglican school to Anglican school. Up Anglican. Anglican. Oh, I ask. Congratulations. Wow. Hey, it's the classmates in your baby. Wow. Congrats. Best student. Wow.
To do us the next honors is Mr. Patrick King Kucho Donko Edu. Please come and help us do the next presentation of our awards.
The Writers Association Chairman.
Oh, you know, also the children do me free. Oh, sealed.
They may dream, Brent, and then one of the papa. Watch out. All-round best senior high school.
Yes.
Obi Ohon yan do. Nemo Masramako. Masramaka. There. Oko.
What's in there?
Now, over there was also Best Old Students Association. And then it's a double do. It's a double do. For infants from school.
This goes to the school. Infants FM. Osaberimba the next year, I'll bet you the more 2 awards in.
I will watch it over on my program this year.
So, all round best senior high school and best old students association goes to the school. Infants
school. The school.
Next year, what's the main country? The next year, this award goes to the Santa Clausians. So I'm informing you, you will not get it again.
Congratulations.
I'm resting one eye in one.
And the Best Old Students Association, I think they have to pick that one as well.
Okay, so they are picking two. A few double.
Now, but one head boy, one baby, hey, Abrenti, Popo, Deputy Waha. Okay, congratulations to the team. Congratulations. Calvary Hillcrest Schools.
Calvary Hillcrest Schools. They came in their numbers 1 month more.
Mrs. Dedina Gajepo and
most outstanding private school in Cape Coast.
Calvary Hillcrest School. Congratulations.
Philanthropy and the schools offer scholarship to needy, but
well, the school is 25 years.
Yes.
Congratulations, 25 good years.
Wow. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Nana, ebe last one am I lie.
Well, Kakondo. Wow. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Kakondo. Best institution promoting education in campus. When you say you have a chapter watcher and most of them tired because one day maybe you're looking dapper. That's what they say for. I don't watch you in secret. Congratulations. Best institution promoting education in campus. Outstanding health facility. And it goes to the Adisado Health Center.
1 month sema this go for when you be Santa Clausians one health center when you be 1 month sema yeah the was
yeah this go for one health center no Adisado. Congratulations to
what's in the train
Adisado Health Center. Wow. The joy of picking up an honors. Not from anyone but your paramount chief. Today, health personnel, most outstanding health personnel, and it goes to Mr. Isaac Kwekubintu, Principal Nursing Officer.
So from Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, accident and emergency. Yeah. I have a citation. Can we everything is on it. Thank you.
Congrats. You know what? He began this work in 1988.
Wow.
1988. So it's like a 35-year, work, dedication, well deserved. Congratulations to him.
Okay, that's it. But you're still honest, nothing.
The best allied health facility, Fairma Eye Clinic. Fairma Eye Clinic. In recognition of your exceptional contributions and unwavering commitment to enhancing eye health, sir. Congratulations. Fairma Eye Clinic.
Best allied health facility.
Diocese of Cape Coast, Bishop.
PhD Canadian. Aha. Okay, Audrey on behalf of Bishop. Audrey on behalf of Bishop, can we have it, please? Okay.
Congratulations.
Okay, also, thank you very much. You are not going, please give it to one more summer Cape Coast
tourist site.
Oh, honey. Who is taking on your behalf? Who is taking on your behalf?
Oh, Mr. Morgan is coming.
Okay, one more
Mr. Morgan. Mr. Morgan, in fact, I will have the congratulations. Most fascinating tourist site, Cape Coast Castle Dungeons. Okay. Thank you. Popular joint. Osaberimba Royal Awards 5th edition goes to The Breeze.
The Breeze, in recognition of your distinction, celebrated for the year's vibrant atmosphere, exceptional hospitality, and contributions to the city's social and entertainment scene.
That's the man coming, Mr. Noah.
Okay, and that's it. Congratulations, The Breeze. Also, Akakro.
Last year we had a very good one, and imagine a place that just got opened that is already taking awards. Let's give it up to Vic's Court Event Center. They are doing a very good job.
Vic's Court Event Center has become the premier destination for weddings, corporate functions, and social gatherings.
Vic's Court. Hey, last week again for congratulations to you. Congratulations. Vic's Court Event Center.
Into a journey of happiness.
Congratulations. And to say, yeah, best fisherman or necessary. Me, this is the one set now when me order. Now, a period the way. What's it? A freedom in our fisherman. Best fisherman or comma.
To do us the honors, Mr. Diama. Hey, Nana, Nana, Ompado. Nana, me can it to me crown name Fachame. I know for bread.
I'm sorry, one as a copy. Eban.
Over 20 years in the industry.
And I put you no one or concern. Until our man and no one wired and send out abandoned on my put you no one or concern.
He's the owner of the fishing boat named as Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
Wow, he didn't want to do. Congratulations to you.
Nana will still do us the honors.
A bombastic eye, me or your best fishmonger. Best fishmonger.
Doing this for the past 25 years. Excellence in fishmongering. Why are they?
This is not her first. I know that I'm turning your woman. Congratulations to the team.
And she's straight across Kumasi, Gosu, and Obuasi.
On time,
for the past
25 years.
No Kumasi, no Goso, no Kobwasi. Wow. Wow. Are you cool? Are you in school, man? Nimzi Multimedia.
Memories are best preserved in photography. The best photographer.
What's up, Bako? Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Me asha na wo brother to say on channel we post. This no I don't post. Congratulations to you. Best photographer.
Nana, Exama, thank you very much.
There's somebody here introduce me also. Yes, that is your magazine now, your stories. Maybe I was somehow can say, Echo University now will introduce you in ya go for. I started in say a brand TV on him one poano or Cape Coast as you say, or a doctor. Me story war magazine no ha. It's a pedestrian show. Doctor Dr. Oha, Dr. Dawson.
One more say my Dr. Dawson.
Enti awa be chia impedifo kana ko chia na no na wo mu se onim wonten na ever
Jejan. What can doctor? We doctor grey hair. That doctor is small body, big in size, grey. Okay, Dr. Dawson. Very cute doctor.
Into about to accident, not by a doctor. About to accident, not by a lawyer. In fact, until I produce a titty baby. Now, or there's an abra, but he has a fatum. Emma, one more way, Jeja, one by one number Saba, condo in bra. Open money to Kano Abba, Madam. He's an inspiration. He's from Anton and is now a medical doctor. Until one young country, one more way a day.